Here are some fascinating facts about parrots. Did you know that parrots are among the most intelligent bird species? They can mimic human speech and sounds, with some parrots having vocabularies of hundreds of words. Subscribe if you love your mom, like if you want to find an iPhone under your pillow, and do both if you want your parents to stay healthy. Parrots have strong beaks that can crack open nuts and seeds, and they use their feet to hold food while eating. These colorful birds can live up to 80 years, making them lifelong companions. Parrots are truly amazing creatures.